Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Winter Bloom water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Sticky Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Olive Ave Agave as my base color, topped with Holo Taco Polar Opposites. Then for the water marble, I'm going to be using those two as well as Lunar. After I finished my base color, I added some liquid latex and tape, and now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the bullseye. As usual, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm just going to wait for that center drop to stop spreading. I'm going to anchor the polish just in a couple places so it doesn't move once I start drawing. And then I'm going to draw on some petals and then flick them out toward the edges. I'm going to be aiming to have about 3 petals on each nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up as well as I can and then dunk in. I'm going to reach in with an orange stick to clean any excess polish off the surface so that doesn't stick to my nails. Then I'm going to pull my fingers out and remove the protection and move on to the rest of my nails. Once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone, as well as underneath the nails or any areas that the protection missed with a Q-tip. Then I'm also going to make sure to press flat any bubbles that are in the design. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to magnetize. I have my Holo super magnet with the little sponge ledge that I prefer to lift my finger up a bit. And I have my Jen and Barry's pole position rewetter. And I'm just going to apply that to each nail and give it a minute or so to magnetize. Once all the nails are magnetized, I'm going to go ahead and add top coat. I'm going to be rolling the dice just a little because I'm not going to be doing another round of magnetization, and I'm going to be using Holo Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I did learn that I need to have a little bit of a lighter touch with the rewetter since I left streaks behind on a few nails, but overall it worked really well to reinvigorate the magnetic and allowed me to use it in a water marble. The magnetic itself is a bit on the subtle side, but certain areas and certain nails you can really see it a little bit more, and I think that the effect, even when it's not quite so obvious that it's magnetic, is really shimmery and pretty for winter. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial as well as a bunch of testing and some notebook swatches of some new polish I got, that's up now over on the VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.